Periods are natural, but they can come when we least expect them. But if you know your dates, you might be able to tweak them if you want to. How to delay your period. If you already take the combined contraceptive pill, you could take the next pack with no break. If you are taking a different pill, you could ask the doctor to switch you to the combined one. Don't take a pill? You could ask for period delaying tablets. How to shorten your period once it's begun. If you already have your period, you can't stop it, but you could make it shorter by taking combined contraceptive pills immediately. Other options that are not as strong or noticeable are over-the-counter painkillers and natural alternatives, like practicing regular exercise and drinking herbal teas. But whatever method you choose, always check with your doctor first. Holiday, here we come!